welcome to class. This is my cat Hoggy. Say hi. All right, goodbye. All right. So my name is Dr. Otsuji, O-T-S-U-J-I. So welcome to my class, and just want to go over a few things about this course. Oh, is she back there? Yes, she is. That's her cat shelf. Sometimes she likes to jump on there. So welcome to class. I just want to go over a few things about our course because I know this is asynchronous. Asynchronous means that we will not be meeting in person. Everything you need will be on our Canvas course. So it's your job to read through everything very carefully and make sure that you're doing everything correctly. Okay, so my motto is work smarter, not harder. I hate it when students say, oh, I spent 20 hours trying to write this essay. Okay, you should not have spent 20 hours. Okay, if you had followed the steps that we have in this class, it should not be taking you that long. So again, work smarter, not harder. Read through all of the directions, watch the videos so that you can get things done quickly. Okay, a few things I would like for you guys to do. If you've never used Canvas before, click where it says account, okay, and click on your profile. And I would like for you guys to add a picture here so that we can all see some kind of picture. If you don't want to put a picture of yourself, you can put a picture of a cat, okay, or whatever. Okay. Another thing that I would like for you guys to do is to click here where it says settings and see where over here on the right where it says email address. I would like for you to click here and add an email address and add your own email address that you have on your phone. Because I know many of you don't check your El Camino email. So when I send you something or when an announcement's come, you never get it. Okay, so click here and change it to and write your whatever your Gmail or Yahoo email is. Okay, and click where it says registered mail and make sure that it's starred. So now all of the announcements, all of my emails will be sent to your personal phone so that you can have, you can get it quickly. Another thing that you might want to do is click here where it says notifications. And you might want to change a few things on your notifications. Okay, notifications will be sent to you. You might want to click where it says due dates. Click where it says announcements. Make sure that is on. Maybe grading, maybe submission comments. Okay, but don't click on everything. Don't click on notifications for everything. I don't know if you can hear that. That's my cat. Don't click on notifications for everything because otherwise you will get notifications every other second. Okay, so again, pick a few things. Okay, the most important ones I think are like due dates and announcements, submission comments, okay, and etc. So again, welcome to our course. You will have the course opened on Saturday, and it should look something like this. So we have two classes. We have two courses. One is 1A, and the other one is 1AS. Okay. You will be spending most of your time on this one, the 1A course. That's where you'll be doing all of your assignments. Okay. On 1AS is a little bit different. So 1AS, S stands for support. So you're taking this course because you need a little extra support. And so when you take the 1AS course, you will see that there are some things for your essays. And this is where you will be receiving support. So receiving support means meeting with your tutors. We have an embedded tutor in here so that he'll be meeting with you one-on-one. And there's a couple ways that you can meet with your tutors. You can attend his open hours. You can make an appointment with him to meet via Zoom, or you can submit a completed draft for check-in. Okay, and the essay must be completed to receive credit. Okay, so all of your meetings with the tutors will be done on the 1AS course. Okay, so that's the one with the dogs. Okay, but the one with the cat, that's the one you'll be on most of the time. When you look at the one with the cat, I'm going to go on student view so you can see what you're going to be seeing. The first thing you should do is click here where it says click here on day one. Okay, and it will take you to our week 0 Canvas pages, and just go down the list, start from the top, okay, and look at all of the pages down the list. And then once you're done, click on next. Okay, once you're done, click on next. Okay, etc. So again, what you want to do really is to look at everything through what's called modules. In Canvas, what you learn will be in modules. And I like to organize it by weeks. So this is week 0. Okay, all of the things you need to do is on week 0. And all of the things you need to do on week 1 is here. Okay, so week 2, etc. So again, I like to organize the modules by weeks. Okay, and please don't do things like here where it says to do, right? So most students, what they do is say, oh, look where it says they have to do this, right? So they just click on here, okay? And it takes you to the assignment itself. However, it doesn't give you all of the other extra things you need before you get to the assignment, right? You need to read through some of the directions. You need to look at some of the examples, okay? And so sometimes students don't go through the modules and they just click on the assignments. And so once they get to the assignment, they're like, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So again, what you want to do is on our homepage, always go through the modules, okay? Click here where it says modules and go through the assignments from here, okay? So that you can see, oh, here I have to do this. However, I should read the directions first, right? So again, look at the modules, go down the list, okay? And everything is in order. So you should be doing things in order. Okay, so if you take a look at week 0, there is a syllabus quiz that you have to do, right? And there are other things that you have to do March 13th, etc. So again, go down the list and click on the first one. Once you read it, click on next. Okay, once you read it, click on next, etc. All right. One thing that you do have to do this week is to read through the syllabus. Okay, please read through the syllabus. The first few pages has our calendar. And then from here, I would like for you to really read this. Okay, so classroom policies, and then here are some rules right here. These are the important rules for this course. Okay, and then the grading. Okay, and then the rest you can skim through. But the first few pages are really, really important. Okay, so again, the first page, okay, and then the rules. Okay. Because if you again go on to our modules, you have a syllabus quiz, right, which is on March 14th. So you have to pass it by 3/14 by 9 p.m. with 100%, or you will be dropped from this course, because this is kind of like taking attendance. Okay, so if I was, taking attendance, I have to make sure that you're in this class, you're ready to go, okay, and you understand how this class works. So that's why you have to do this by 3/14 and 9 p.m., okay, or you will be dropped. Speaking of 9 p.m., you will read it in our syllabus, but all of your assignments are due at 9 p.m. Okay, I know some of the other instructors will write down 11:59 p.m. Okay, I don't like that time. I think it's way too late. Okay, I think that you should have time for yourself, late at night. And so my class, all of the assignments are due at 9 p.m. Okay. Although I'm giving you grace period, if you have to do something a little bit later, if it's an hour or 2 at the most, okay, if it's a little bit late, that's fine, okay, as long as you complete your work, but my due time is at 9 p.m. because I don't think that you should be up till midnight, doing your work, okay? So again, please read through the syllabus, okay? Please look at our class. Look through some of the assignments that's coming up. You might want to start looking at essay number 1, okay, which is coming up soon. Oh, and another thing, this is an accelerated course because it is a late start class, right? Spring semester had already been, started for 4 weeks. So that means we're 4 weeks behind, okay? So that means that we are about 25% behind than anybody else. So we will be moving at about 1.25% the rate. Okay, so essays that would usually take 4 weeks, it's due in 3 weeks. Okay, so again, please make sure that you don't fall behind. Okay, some of you might say, oh, I can do it next week. Well, it's already next week. We're already 4 weeks behind, and things come up really quickly. Okay, so again, please don't wait till the last minute. Start doing things. Be proactive. Okay? Oh, and one last thing I want to talk to you about. You will be getting into groups. I call them Ohanas. Okay, please read that in here. Okay, you will be getting into what's called Ohanas, and you get to choose your own group members. Okay, so what you want to do is start reading through some of the introductions. Okay, and the first reading assignment. Okay, and you might want to take a look to see some of the other people that you might jive with. And, you might want to reach out to them and say, hey, do you want to be in an Ohana group with me? Okay. And what you want to do is click on people, okay, and click on groups. And when you click on groups, there will be different Ohanas. And what you do is just go into an Ohana that you want to be in. Okay. So again, reach out to people and be like, hey, do you want to be in an Ohana with me, right? Okay, let's be in Ohana number 1, okay, and just start getting into your groups, okay? All right, so again, please read through the directions, okay? The Canvas site will be open on Saturday at 12:01 a.m., okay? And I look forward to meeting all of you online.